Yeah, no, I'm here.
Okay, let's start over again. So your question was about like email providers, stuff like that. I asked you some basic questions. Let's start again, but now you can answer them over audio instead. So how many leads do you currently have?
3,200.
And how many are free? How many are paid?
Yeah, no, I made 4 sales through Full Stack out of those 3,200, and that's it. I mean,
Okay, so four buyers, 3,200 free leads. Where did the free leads come from?
I was running a Google ad.
Okay, so you spent Google ads. You spent money on Google ads to get the leads. How much did you spend to get 3,200 leads?
Yeah, so it was like 750 a month for 6 months.
Okay, so you ran Google ads. What was the Google ad going to?
Uh, most kind of work from home, roughly around that. I was making a
So
little,
they're biz op make money leads.
yeah.
Okay. Where do you currently have those leads?
In Get Response, I was making a little bit. I was making $1.75 to kind of per email I sent somewhere else as a CPA model. I was doing that. So, I mean, it
Be,
offset
be,
a
be
little.
more be more specific. You mailed the leads some type of an offer.
Yeah,
What offer?
uh, Kiala's offer, and then I was using what was it? Another company, and they're just paying me $1.75 a lead I sent them.